Hey guys, this is Eric, and today we're going to look at my most recent purchase of the Schlage door lock. Now this is the accent model for bed and bath, so it has this nice teardrop shape that I have in all my door locks throughout the entire house. Unfortunately, all my doors still have that circle latch, but fortunately Schlage does include a circle latch for you, but it is underneath the rectangle one. You actually just have to pop it off with a little screwdriver and then pop on the circle one and you're good to go. Now to install this is super easy. Just remove the two screws from your old doorknob. If you have two screws in the latch, go ahead and remove those. But as you can see here, I have the circle one, and you just want to pull out that latch once you remove the two doorknobs. They just come right apart once you get those screws out. It's simply that easy. Now to put the new one in, you just do everything in reverse. Go ahead, put the new latch back in. I have the circle one, so I just need to press it in. If you have the rectangle one, you're putting two screws. Just make sure you put the latch in the right direction. You want to put the curved part towards the front of the door, the way the door swings. And you can see on mine, I wasn't able to push it in with my fingers, so I took a little napkin, a little hammer, and just tapped it in to make sure the latch was in all the way. And now to get the levers on, you want to make sure they are facing the right direction. Now the part that has the two screw holes are supposed to be on the inside of the door. That's where the locking mechanism is going to go. So if your handle is facing the wrong direction, as you can see here, I have the wrong lever facing the wrong side of the door. You're going to have to pop them off and reverse them. It's really easy to do. Comes with a little paper clip type of thing. You push it in and you remove the door handle off of the base of the knob. Now once you do this, make sure you switch. You have to go and have to do both. You're going to have to switch them, and now you're going to have the right handle on the right side of the door. Go ahead and install the two pieces, install the two screws, and don't over tighten it. If you do, you're going to run into the issue that I had at first, where the latch actually gets stuck when you're turning the lever. Just loosen those screws just a little tiny bit, just so that latch can move freely. Once you've done that, you're good to go. You have your lock on the inside of the door, and you have a brand new door lock. Hope this video was helpful. See you guys on the next one.